I lost 180 pounds on a meat-focused way of eating, and here's what I ate today. Y'all, let me show you what I done last night. I knew it was loose, okay? It came loose because I was filing. But do you know what a cap looks like on your twofers? That's the crown. And then that's the underneath side. And look. That's it right there. That little ugly tooth right down there. I'm sticking my tongue all in it. But, you know, I had my appointment Monday so he could, so they could put it, you know, seal it or, you know, glue it back down. It's not going to be that serious. Hopefully. But anyway, yeah. So last night I was chewing gum and it popped up. And I'm like, oh man. But that's all right. You know, I'd rather find out now and have it pop off when we were on a trip or something. So, or swallow it. Oh, for heaven's sakes, at least I didn't swallow it. The dogs are tippy-tapping because they want me to hurry up and give them their TRDAT and go. I was planning on taking them to DAYCARE, but I forgot you have to reserve for Fridays, and they don't really answer the phones until like 7:30. So, anyway, so they're gonna just have to go another day. So, all right, bye. Okay, so it's back to work for one day. But you know what? This is awful, and I know it's a Terri thing. I don't like being away from work. I think maybe I have that FOMO, fear of missing out. I don't think it. I know it. But anyway, so I don't like to be away from work when everybody's there. It's just who I am. And maybe it's a little FOMO, maybe it's a little worry, but yeah, but I'm going back today. And then y'all, it's so funny. It's not funny, it's unhealthy. Please understand that. What I have done is not healthy at all. But so I stepped on the scale this morning. I'm 179. All right, my lowest was 158. And so we've been trying to get back there for the past year and a half. Well, anyway, but having said that, we ain't been trying that hard, okay? We've been just trying lightheartedly here and there. And then, so yeah, 179 this morning, 179. I don't remember if I said it or not, but I was 179. Well, so I've got about 2 or 3 weeks of trying to eat hardcore, but we're taking a family weekend for like 4 or 5 days to go somewhere, and I don't think I can get all those off. So I'm just praying. I haven't even looked at it, but I'm just praying that my summer clothes will still, because we're going somewhere warm. We're going to Florida. So I'm just praying, Lord Jesus, please let my summer clothes fit when I'm up 20 pounds. But I think they will, because realistically, over this past summer, I was 168, 170 anyway. So now I'm basically just 10 pounds up from that. So that's not the funny part. The funny part is, not funny, haha, please understand that. But as I touch my thighs, like my inner thighs where it was all like skin, and my belly that was all saggy hanging skin, and my boobs. Last night I didn't have a shirt on, so I was walking from the bathroom to the bedroom, and I just kind of grabbed the girls. You know, men always grab their crotch while I was grabbing my girls, and I'm like, oh, you feel a little fuller. So, that 10 pounds has my thighs are fuller, my saggy belly that hangs down, my apron, that's fuller. I wonder if my bat wings are full. I can't really tell about those. I don't think those feel much fuller. But anyway, so it's kind of funny. And like I said, you got to laugh. You got to laugh about stuff, because otherwise you cry. You know what I mean? So it's like, all right. Well, this is going to make for good. It's going to make for good, a good thing that we're going to learn about here pretty soon. So, all right. Well, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all at brunch. All right. How's it going? Are you doing okay? Did you have a good Christmas? Today's my 26th. And so I told y'all our Christmas is tonight. Called my boss. She said I could slip out at 2. Yay. So I'll go home and see. We've got family. That's my brother-in-law and his daughter and her boyfriend. They're coming today. Well, they probably already there. I think they were going to try to get there 10:30, 11 o'clock. So if I get to leave at 2, we'll see where everybody's at and what they're doing. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So food. We have ground beef. And I put in some fat and some cheese. So, Mom sent me home some, the fat from her pork butt, whatever that she, first off, I gotta take a bite. Just hold your horses. All right. So Mom sent me home a pork butt. Yeah. I set that up on my dash, and my windshield has got a fog on it. So I took it home. I put it all together in the crock pot, let it melt down, strained it, and I actually kind of froze like the chunky pieces. I froze that for the dogs, and then I kept out the fat and the broth. So I strained it, and I let it refrigerate, and then I separated it. And then I ran it through crock pot again, just to kind of get it a little more separated, a little more cleaner. And I did that just because, it's going to be in the refrigerator, so I don't want there to be a bunch of meat chunks still in it. So now I'm going to have some more fat to add to my stuff. What do I know? I don't know. Oh, yeah. Well, we are going to start our metabolic and our appetite and metabolic reset. That's what we're going to call it. An appetite and metabolic reset. We're going to start that when people are going. So we're going to get back to just the meat and stuff. And doing good. I'm curious to know if I can get some of the water weight off before we go on our trip. And so yeah, Mom and my 2 sisters going to Florida at some point. I don't really know much else. I'm going to save what I can so I can show you our supper tonight and while everybody's there. All right, bye. What's going on around here? Oh, both my sisters and my mom, they're cooking. I got a niece in there, and then I got a niece right there, and 2 nephews, and a brother-in-law, and a future nephew-in-law, and a niece. Just all showing you to my people on my channel. All my little YouTube friends.
You on live?
No, girl, I don't do live. I'm just going to go this way. We've got Brussels. We've got ham. This is green beans, potato, hash brown casserole, some juice for the ham. We did not glaze it. And then some salad. Now I'll show you my plate.
Yeah, said Mary is a friend of her daughter's.
They'll say you need to do all this stuff.
Ham and cheesy hash browns and orange, whatever that cranberry stuff is. Cinnamon roll,
I heard you say today you got the tickets,
and ice cream.
something.
Wait. Come. Morgan, go ahead. Hi. Merry Christmas. Okay. Okay, guys, that's everybody. And I'm gonna come in and just kind of do a little. Everybody's just chilling out. Everybody's chilling out. So now I'm gonna go home and go cuddle with the puppy dogs. But that was fun. Had a good time.